はい、こんにちは。Okay, let's start learning how to make a Japanese sentence from zero. Okay, first of all, let's start with very basic sentence. Okay, such as you like sushi. Okay. How do you say that in Japanese? Probably if you watch the previous videos, you know the sentence structure. Okay, let's start from the sentence structure. Okay, Japanese typical sentence structure contains topic followed by wa, followed by nouns, followed by particle, and with verb. Of course, many sentences based on this sentence structure, but also other many sentences have unique sentence structure. So, but I do recommend you to start with this sentence structure. Basic is very important. If you get used to basic, you can go further, including many different forms. Okay. In Japanese, word order is you like sushi is turning to you sushi like. So sounds a bit weird, but that's Japanese word order. Okay, let's make it. You is あなた。then followed by topic marker は、そして followed by 寿司、then followed by 好きです。then Japanese full stop. Then we need to add particle, which is が。が is a subject marker. あなたは寿司が好きです。Okay, let's make it, do you like sushi? Do you like sushi? That's very easy to make it. あなたは寿司が好きですか？あなたは寿司が好きですか？か is a Japanese question marker. So all you need to create yes no question, you need to add か to the end of the sentence. That's it. As you can see, word order is still the same, but only adding か can help you create yes no questions. Okay, today let's go a little bit further. If you want to say, do you like sushi or sashimi? Do you like sushi or sashimi? By the way, sashimi is a sliced raw fish. Maybe you should try. By the way, what's the difference between sushi and sashimi? Basically, sushi has raw fish, but with rice. But sashimi is just a sliced fish only. Okay. Probably if you don't know exactly the differences, well, I do recommend you to check Google images later. Okay. あなたは寿司が好きですか？ Do you like sushi? Okay. Then how do you say, do you like sushi or sashimi? Okay. As you can guess, sashimi is a noun, so you can add sashimi here. Okay. Then maybe you want to know or in Japanese, which is それとも、それとも。それとも is a new word for today. That's a key word for today. それとも means or. But if you check the dictionary, それとも is not the only word meaning or. We can find out または、then or か as well. Yes, of course, ka is a question marker, but also ka can be used or for informal setting. Then, generally speaking, question sentences, we use それとも. Of course, some exceptions existed, but if you want to use or for the question sentences, I do recommend you to use それとも. Okay. Let's get started. あなたは寿司が好きですか？それとも刺身が好きですか？ はい。あなたは寿司が好きですか？それとも刺身が好きですか？Okay, maybe I should write down in the word order this way. あなたは寿司が好きですか？ First of all, you say full sentence. Then next one. それとも刺身が好きですか？うん。あなたは寿司が好きですか？それとも刺身が好きですか？That's the word order. Then you might say, Oh, can I say あなたは寿司それとも刺身が好きですか？あなたは寿司それとも刺身が好きですか？That's understandable, but Japanese native tend to say almost all sentences twice. あなたは寿司が好きですか？それとも刺身が好きですか？If you say that way, sounds more natural. Okay. Let's try to make another sentence. うん。OK. じゃあ、let's change the sentence structure. OK. じゃあ、how do you say, do you like chocolate or candy? はい。How do you say, do you like chocolate or candy? Okay. If you're not sure, okay, once again, let's start with a basic sentence structure. Japanese sentence structure start with a topic, followed by wa, followed by noun, followed by particle, and with verb. Okay. Do you like chocolate or candy? First of all, if you don't know how to make it at a first stage, you can make it this way. Okay, let's find out how to say do you like chocolate or candy in Japanese. Okay, how do you say you? あなたですね。Then followed by は。Okay, chocolate is chocolate. Okay, we say that in Japanese accent. チョコレート。Then particle B が。そして、like, we say 好きです。好きです。Then question mark, we say か。あなたはチョコレートが好きですか？ Then today's keyword, do you remember how do you say or for question sentence? We normally say それとも。それとも。それともキャンディーが好きですか？That's the complete sentence. あなたはチョコレートが好きですか？それともキャンディーが好きですか？あなたはチョコレートが好きですか？それともキャンディーが好きですか？Of course, answer would be not yes or no, not hi or いいえ。Answer would be just チョコレートです。or チョコレートが好きです。or キャンディーです。or キャンディーが好きです。So you can answer that way. Okay, I hope you understand how to make A or B question. So if you have any questions, please let me know. はい、ありがとうございました。はい、また会いましょう。